20 jobs that can be replaced by Chat GPT 4. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to tell you about these 20 jobs that can be replaced by Chat GPT. Number one is data entry clerk. Due to speed and accuracy, you hire data entry clerk, but Chat GPT can do it very well. Number two is customer service representative. Communication and empathy is the main human traits for customer service representative, and your Chat GPT can do and can communicate with your customer, so you can use that one. Number three is proofreader. Proofreader will pay attention to the details and all that, and Chat GPT can do it and review the documents for you. Paralegal research and organization can be done by Chat GPT. Bookkeeper, Chat GPT have a lot of mathematical skills, so you don't need to hire a bookkeeper. Translator, language proficiency is very good in Chat GPT, so you can use it as a translator, so you don't need to hire any translator anymore. Copywriter, it is like Chat GPT is creative and can produce good content, so you can use it as a copywriter. Markets research analyst, its analytical skills are very efficient, so you can use it for market research. Social media manager, content creation and curation can be done by Chat GPT 4. Appointment scheduler, time management can be done by it. Telemarketer, persuasion and communication with your customer and with the audience you are going to attract. It can be used as a telemarketer as well. Number 12 is virtual assistant. Multitasking in organization can be done by ChatGPT. And transcription, listening to something and typing that into words or all that, so you can use it as a transcriptionist. And news reporter, fact checking and writing can be done by ChatGPT. Travel agent, planning and coordination of travel and tour can be done. Tutor, knowledge and teaching can be done by Chat GPT. Students can use it for learning, so they don't need tutor anymore. It can be not really true. Technical support analyst, troubleshooting and problem solving is very strong in Chat GPT. Email marketer, writing and targeting specific audience by writing them emails. Content moderator, critical thinking and judgment over some content. Recruitment or recruiting process could be very easy because Chat GPT can interview a candidate and assess the qualities or assess the abilities of that candidate. So these are all jobs that can be replaced by Chat GPT. If you like this content, please share my video with your friends and family, like the video and subscribe the channel. Take care.